Hi and hello everyone. This is Preeta. We are seeing class 8 from the book Mathsight. We are going to see the term paper 1. Section A, choose the correct option. The first question is the product of a rational number with its reciprocal is. So any rational number with its reciprocal, the value is going to be 1. For example, we can take the value 1 by 2. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So when all the values are cancelled, the option is going to be 1. Option B, 1 is the correct answer. The second one, every natural number is also a integer and the whole numbers. So option both A and B is correct. For the second one, option C, both A and B are correct because all the natural numbers, so natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 goes on. So starting from 1, it goes on. So the natural numbers includes both integers and the whole numbers. Third one, which of the following is not a square? So they have given option A as 100, option B as 10,000, option C they have given us 1 lakh, and option D 10 lakh. We need to find out which of the following is not a perfect square. So in order to find the perfect square, 10 to the power of even number will be a perfect square. For example, 10 square is nothing but 10 into 10, which is 100. So 100 is a perfect square. 100 is a perfect square. Same way, 100 into 100, we will be getting the value as 10,000. So 10,000, option B is also a perfect square. When we see option C, we have only 50. So option C is not a perfect square. 10,000 is nothing but 10 to the power of 4, which is nothing but 10 to the power of 4. So in terms of the even numbers, when the zeros are in even numbers, then it will be a perfect square. Here we can see 10 to the power of 6. So 10 lakh is nothing but 10 to the power of 6, which is also perfect square. So whenever 10 to the power of even numbers will be a perfect square. Here we can see option C is 10 to the power of 5, which is an odd number. So it is not a perfect square. Option C, not a perfect square. We will see the fourth sum. The largest 3-digit number divisible by 5 is. So we first need to know the divisibility of 5. A number, in order to be divisible by 5, it should have the ones place as a 0 or 5. So the ones place should be 0 or 5. We can see option A, B, 9 and 8 does not have 0 or 5. So either option C or option D should be the correct answer. They are asking for the largest 3-digit number. So 990, we can see 995 is greater than 990 and 995 is divisible by 5 because we have 5 in the ones place. Whenever we have 5 or 0 in the ones place, the number will be divisible by 5 and the largest 3-digit number is 995. So option C is the correct answer. We will see the fifth sum. When x is equal to 3 and y equal to 2, then x minus y, 2x square minus 3xy plus y square is. So we need to find the value by substituting x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So we will substitute the value 3 minus 2. Instead of x, we are going to substitute 3 and instead of y, we are going to substitute 2. So the next we have 2 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 into 2 plus 2 square. So we have substituted all the x and y values. So 3 minus 2, we will be getting the value as 1. So 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3. minus, here we have to multiply all the three numbers, 3 into 3 into 2 plus 2 square is 2 into 2. So 1, when we multiply with 1, it's going to be the same number. So next we have 3 into 3 is a 9. So 2 into 9 minus 3 into 3 is a 9. 9 into 2 is a 18 plus 2 into 2 is a 4. So again here 9 into 2 is a 18 minus 18 plus 4. We can 18 minus 18 we can take it as a 0. So which is nothing but 0 plus 4, and the final answer is 4. Option A, 4 is the correct answer. So for the fifth sum, option A, 4 is the correct answer. We will see the sixth sum. If 1 by 3 of a number is 10 less than the original number, we can take the number as x. Let the number be x. If 1 by 3 of a number, so 1 by 3 times of a number is 10 less than the original number. So the original number is going to be x. So 10 less than the original number. So x minus 10. Then the number is, we need to find out what is the value of x. So in order to find the value of x, we can take the x, all the x values to the same side. So here we have x, we can take to the other side, which becomes minus x. So 1 by 3x minus x is equal to minus 10. So we can take x outside. So the remaining will be 1 by 3 minus 1 equal to minus 10. So 1 by 3 we can take the LCM, which means we have to multiply the other side with 3. So when we multiply with the 3, it becomes 1 by 3 minus 1 into 3 is a 3 by 3. So here we will be getting 1 minus 3 by 3. So when we have the same denominators, we can write 1 minus 3 by 3, which is equal to minus 10. So the next step, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So x into minus 2 by 3 equal to minus 10. We can take minus 2 by 3 to the other side. So when the value goes to the other side, it becomes minus 10 into minus 3 by 2. We can cancel the negative sign. The remaining will be 10 into 3 by 2, which is 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. Therefore, for the sixth one, option B is the correct answer. 15 is the correct answer. For the sixth one, option B, 15 is the correct answer.